Good morning. My name is Amanda. My husband and I have Ragtag Resilience. We actually grow food on an urban farm in Bartlesville, Oklahoma. We have two lots, just two regular suburban lots. One is our personal residence where we started out just growing food for our family, and in the pandemic realized we had skills that we wanted to share and utilize specifically so I can work from home and we can continue to educate our children and our community to be more resilient. So I'm not techie, but I'll do my best to update our channel more often, not because we know it all or because it's going to be full of how-tos or anything like that, but because if we can do it where we're at, you can do it wherever you're at. And it doesn't have to be everything, and it doesn't have to be the prettiest or the fanciest setup or anything like that to make your family and your home more productive and resilient for whatever happens. We're not preppers or survivalists or anything like that. We love being a part of the local community. But I think we all can use a sense of greater security and control with just providing and taking care of our families. So if you watch our videos and you think, I could do that, then good, you get the point. You can do it. It's totally possible. And I can barely even use my cell phone half the time. Like making this video. But if we can do it, if we can grow our own food, if we can start a business at home, if we can remodel a house, if we can make a few videos, maybe. If we can do this, then certainly you can do it. And so my encouragement is to just grow slowly, do something you love, and share it with other people, because I've been pretty amazed with how many people have been encouraged to do things they love just because we're sharing something we love. Anyway, so thank you for watching this video, and thank you for following along on our journey. And whether we see you in real life, in person, at farmer's market or workshop or harvest table or commenting online, I just want you to know that we appreciate you, and we hope and wish you the best in your growing journey.